Oh man, damn, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do about this situation. All right, so today we got more parts in. We got the JDM DC2 OEM headlights in. All right, so yes, I already had a set of headlights that were retro, built out, came in. We did the unboxing on those, I believe. If not, I'll need to do the unboxing on those. But got another set of headlights. There were some things with the other one. We had some work done here. The construction crew ended up breaking my mount, one of my top mounts that mounts it to the support frame. So I had to get another set. And so this set that I have right here is supposed to be the set that is going to be the donor for the other. So I'm going to gut all the other stuff out of there, get the builder to put everything in these headlights. They came from Ohio JDM Direct. So we're going to go ahead and open box these and see what they actually look like. All right, here. Oh, big shout out. Love getting merch. So got a shirt. Decent, pretty good packing job right there, as you see. So that's always important to see that they do a good job on packing these things, because this is definitely important. You can't buy these brand new, and if you probably found a set brand new, they probably charge you thousands and thousands of dollars. There are some stickers in here. Always good to see some stickers. Bow. Probably put that on the toolbox or the workbench. And you do not want to mess that up. So just be cut toward the box. All right, so here we go. So right off the back, there's some moisture in here. Don't know where that's coming from, but maybe they cleaned them, which I'm cool with that. Definitely, that's normal. You'll see grit. But the good thing is that this plug is actually in good condition, which typically you don't get. The harness is in good condition, and all mounting points plus the garments are here in the brackets, plus the fog light covers. This is a pretty damn good looking light. That bottom mount is there. Nothing's hanging off, nothing's charred or looking like it's brittle. All the lights are in there. Like that mounting points here, we got a little bit of the chrome kind of worn in there, but we got the seal right there, and the fog light is not busted out, and the lenses look pretty damn good, yo. The lenses look pretty good. Like, this is a good looking headlight. Like, no cap. This is a good looking headlight. So let's get the other one out. Like I said, we got this chrome situation right here, which that can be redone. Like I said, we're going to end up swapping these things out. So I'm going to go ahead and unravel the other one and see what that one looks like. All right, so as I was putting the bubble wrap on the floor, this fell out of there. So now I'm looking to see where this would actually go on here. It actually might not even be a piece of this. Might be, oh, there it is. That's what broke. Right here, this is where it goes. All right, so that's not even anything to really be concerned about. Like, if that's the least that I have out of this entire order, I'm not even really heavily concerned about that. But that's basically where that goes. And I'll likely just get some glue, some Gorilla Glue, see if I can put that back and see if it'll actually stay. But if it doesn't, it's not that big of a deal to me. So now we know where that goes. So I'll make sure to hold on to this and see if I can actually Gorilla Glue it or something. That one was the right. A little moisture in this one. As I said, I think they kind of cleaned them off, which I really appreciate that. Got the gasket, which is kind of important to me. There's other ways to get around not having it, but I would rather have it than have to do what I would have to do if I didn't have it. Once again, the garments in here, and this garment and this assembly right here is used to mount the grill. Looks like all the mounts are here. None of these main mounts are broken. Once again, this connector is in pretty good shape, so that's really cool. My builder built me a plug and play harness to plug, basically it plugs into all my USDM, so I don't have to worry about the conversion on the new retros. And this one does not look like it has that broken thin piece like the other one had, which I don't see it on here. So maybe each slight is different on that side versus, no, it would have been right here, but these are not broken. So like I said, and that's the least of my concerns. All of this looks really good considering how old it is. Looks like this lens can be refinished as well as the other one, but the insides look good. There's not a lot of heavy fog on there. Once again, the bezel itself is kind of ate up, so that's something that can be redone. But the rest of that actual bezel in there looks good. All the lights are in there. The fog light is not smashed or broken out. These are an awesome set to have headlights. I'm almost regretting maybe even not touching these as far as retroing these. I'm not lying. I'm like thinking I might just bust them open, do the bezel in black. I don't know if I want to take these all the way down. I might end up getting another set of lights from them. Damn. I don't know if I could do it to these. These are in pretty good damn condition. Damn. I mean, I don't know if I have to do, like, I know I'm wide bodying the Integra. I know I'm doing that, but what's it like to have a good, fresh, like not fresh, but good condition OEM JDM DC2 headlights with these? Oh man, damn, I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do about this situation. JDM Ohio Direct, like this is good problems, but damn, this is a problem. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna put these up here so you all can look at them. Look at these. I mean, like I was saying, I don't know. This one just needs to be cleaned up. Even if I resurface these, imagine how good they'll come out. I'm telling you, this, I don't know if I can do it. Oh my, I don't know if I can do that. The other ones were not a problem because they were so far gone. The bezels were like fried. The lenses were very foggy. I had to get them resurfaced and reconditioned. There was a lot of work that went into them. So once they had to come apart, it was like, yo, I'm going to retro them out. I don't know if I want to do that. Like the most I want to do with these is get the bezel painted the same tone and color as my retros. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to have to buy another set of headlights to feel comfortable about not doing this. This is a problem to have. This is a good problem to have, but it's a problem to have. So we'll see what I end up doing. I'll let you all know. I'll report back to you on another update. Peace. Thank you, JDM Ohio Direct.